How can you predict how long your equipment will run without failure? Mean time between failures, or MTBF, is the key metric for this. It lays the groundwork for maintenance and quality audits. MTBF is calculated by dividing total operating time by the number of failures. For example, a conveyor motor running for 4,320 hours with 3 failures has an MTBF of 1,440 hours. This metric helps schedule inspections and manage spare parts. It indicates whether your preventive maintenance intervals align with actual failure experiences. Remember, MTBF is a statistical average, not a precise countdown. MTBF tells you how often an asset fails, while MTTR, or mean time to repair, tells you how long it takes to fix it. Together, they determine availability. A low MTBF with quick repairs may cause less disruption than a high MTBF with slow repairs. Availability is calculated by dividing MTBF by the sum of MTBF and MTTR, then multiplying by 100. Improving MTBF and MTTR can significantly impact asset availability. The reliability curve starts at 100% and declines over time. Critical points include when time equals MTBF, where reliability is just over 36%. The failure rate, represented by lambda, is the inverse of MTBF. For example, a motor with a 1,440-hour MTBF has a lambda of 0.694. Setting preventive maintenance intervals using the reliability curve ensures optimal performance. The bathtub curve illustrates failure rates across equipment life, divided into 3 phases. Infant mortality features high initial failure rates due to defects. Useful life has a low, constant failure rate, where MTBF is most accurate. Wear out sees rising failure rates due to aging and degradation. Understanding these phases helps in planning, maintenance, and reliability strategies. Quality audits require systematic reliability monitoring and documented MTBF history. eAuditor captures field data, making it easier to calculate MTBF and generate reliability reports. This includes a 6-metric summary and reliability curves. Local PDF export ensures data security, providing audit-ready evidence. The integration streamlines maintenance and audit processes. MTBF is crucial for predicting equipment reliability and planning maintenance. By understanding and applying MTBF, MTTR, and availability, you can optimize asset performance. Start using these insights to enhance your maintenance strategy today.